Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create a new photo album on iPhone. For that, firstly, you need to go on your photos. It is a very simple step. I will be guiding you process-wise process. Now, all you need to do is scroll at the end. Then you will be led to this kind of interface. And there you can see albums. You need to simply tap on it. And here you will be finding all of your albums that you have in your photos. Now at the top left, you can see create option. You can tap on it. Now there you can see two options, new album or new folder. You have to tap on the first one. Now firstly, you need to keep the album name. After that, you can tap on this plus icon inside this blue circle in order to add the photos. Now here you can choose the photo that you want to keep in that album. After you are done, you can simply tap on add at the top right. Now again tap on done at the top right. And now you can see that the album has been created. Now you can visit the album and here you can find all the photos that you have added to this album that you created just now. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.